So, back to the lila here. So, the cuckoo is creating a romantic atmosphere by singing in the fifth note. Sa, re, ga, pa, da, ni. Right? Sa, re, ga, pa, da, da. Ma. Ma. Yeah, I know. I'm not a music person. Ma. Ma, like this. So the young transcendental Cupid Vrindavan, the Prakriti Madan Mohan, he's singing along with Rati Priya Swamini. I really love these names that are woven in these tikas of Radha and Krishna. Rati Priya Swamini. Rati is a name for love, for attachment, for lust, for intimacy, and it's the name of the wife of Kamadev. So Kamadev is the allegorical Lord of Love, or Lord of Desire, or real Lord of Love. And he has a wife, Kamadev and Rati and Kamadev. So Radharani she's a very good friend of Rati. She's Rati Priya. She's so good that she's the Adi Rati. She's the original Rati. She's the original source of cupidity. Cupidity originates with Radha and Krishna. Kamadev, the Divya Kamadev Sri Krishna, and then the Divya Rati Priya Swamini Radha. She enchants millions of Ratis. Even Kamadev's wife is enchanted and mystified and bewildered. Enchanted means Mohan, by Radharani, Mohini Radha, and Radharani Sakhis and maidservants. How sweetly Radha and Krishna play in the forest. They're embracing each other like a male and female elephant. I guess that means really forcefully. Must be, because otherwise why would you compare it? You're not comparing the embrace, but two monkeys, or whatever. It's like two elephants means very powerful. Elephants, the king of the jungle, very powerful. It must be a very powerful. The symbology here, it's very powerful, forceful, deep embrace. So this is eroticism. And this pulls the heart, like the full moon pulls the heart of romance for the materialist. But the full moon of Krishna's face, Krishna Chandra, pulls the chakora eyes of the devotees to dance on his beautiful smile. When the full moon of Krishna's face, Krishna Chandra, when he smiles, then the chakora eyes and hearts of the devotees, they start dancing. Because chakoras drink the moonbeams from Krishna Chandra's mukh.